Hi, welcome to Yoga Time Warrior. I'm Tracy. I've got a headstand fail for you today from filming class the other day. There was no long-term hurt for me, thankfully, but in the moment I thought I might have done a bit of damage there, but I've turned it into a workshop for you, so it's a good learning experience for both me and for you. Now, this is a very short workshop here. I've done other workshops on my platform to give a much better education on inversions, headstands, how to be safe, and when to do them and when not to do them. So this workshop here is more giving you an example of what can happen when it does go wrong, because if you're not careful, it does. Even if you are careful, it does. I've done these plenty of times over, but I still lost concentration and away I went. So we're exhaling to come up into a position called dolphin prior to lifting up into headstand. This is your pre-position. You should never come further if you don't have the strength to then inhale, lift up, pressing down through the forearms and strengthening through the upper back and the torso. We exhale to stabilize when we're up. We inhale to press further down through our forearms. You see there, I flipped out. I crunched down on my neck as I flipped out. That is not good. It hurt. It really did. And I thought I was going to pay for that. So you'll see here in the slow motion how much I did crunch down on my neck. I'm in the position here for the benefit of you, the viewer, filming in that angle. You should be up against that wall and you should have the strength to be there already. But the wall should catch you because you should be close enough. You're not tipping further over. You should always just be able to tip back once the wall has caught you. Make sure you have the strength. Good luck. Keep safe.